Well, today is a good day. You want to know why? It's Big Tree Day again. Here we go. Well, you must know by now, I love planting, I love landscaping, and I love putting in big trees. And thanks to my good buddy, David Woods, the Woods Outdoor, we got round 2 for Big Tree Day. Let's go meet him. Now guys, David is awesome at just about everything he touches. Whether it's transforming a courtyard or planting an entire subdivision or building a water feature, he is extremely talented. And his new adventure is to start up his own YouTube channel. I'm not sure what it's called yet, but I will make sure to put the link up here because I'm going to ask him in just a little bit. But you guys need to subscribe to him because he is multi-talented, very awesome, and he's really supported and encouraged me to keep going along the way. So hopefully you guys will find his channel extremely interesting and knowledgeable, because he has literally taught me everything I know about landscaping, and for that I'm very thankful. So y'all tune into his channel. Told you guys he was going to get one. Look out for his channel. Well, it is really cold today. David is out here. He has brought his crews. They are digging this privacy line right here that we're bringing in. Our neighbor's awesome, and you know, we both want to have our own privacy, and we've gone the extra mile this time to make sure that what they see on their side looking over is going to be just as beautiful as what I see from my side looking towards them. So the reason why we're hand digging this right now is because we have located and we knew there was a power line that runs through here. So we're strategically placing the trees away from that power line, but just to be certain, we are hand digging this. Don't forget, call your local dig locates. Call before you dig. In my area, 811. So let's get a look at it. Well, David and his crew are making fast work of putting these trees in. Let's check it out. look at how the drive is going to look coming in now. They haven't opened up all these trees yet, but when they do, it'll really fill out. And give it another 6 months to a year, and even beyond, it'll be phenomenal. We're gonna have our own little evergreen forest here. So we've been working at the front entry, and basically we're planting a variety of cedars, some Hollywood junipers, Carolina sapphires, cryptomerium, I think it's the radicans, and that's going to make a real, oh, and some Nelliar hollies. So David's about to load up some big red cedars that he dug for me, and we're going to start planting those up by the house. I'm excited for this one. All right, so David has dug all the holes. We had 6 giant red cedars that he brought us. We have knocked out a good bit up at the front. I think almost 26 trees up front. We got 6 big cedars back here. You can see that the guys are busy putting it in. We got one over here, right there. We got one right there. Another one back here, and another one right there. And David's putting in 2 down here. So we are turning this into a little Evergreen Wonderland paradise. So let's go get a close-up of David now. Well, that's the last tree going in. I can't wait to show you guys this spring when we're all finished. Hey, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. It really helps.